How's it going, everybody? I'm here in Foodieland. This is Kevin, owner of Noodle Belly. I think you're number 4 for us today.
Okay.
As a must-try here at Foodieland. So, Kevin, tell us what do you guys have here? What's the specialty?
Wagyu, A5 Wagyu with truffles.
Okay, is that something you would recommend?
Oh yeah.
Excited to be here. Check it out, Noodle Belly with Kevin, and let's do this.
This is our executive chef, Jorge.
Hey, how you doing, Jorge?
What's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Christian, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you guys.
Appreciate you guys coming by. This is our Wagyu.
Okay.
A5 Wagyu, imported from Japan.
Oh man, crazy.
We really let it shine by itself, so
Right.
we don't do anything other than just salt, and pretty generously amount.
Right.
Lemonade.
Ooh, you got leaky moly lemonade here, man. How'd you know that's one of my things too?
Oh, nice.
Kevin, thank you. Cheers.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, amazing. Love it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I've done Foodieland a few times. Have you guys been? You said it's your first time?
This is our first Foodieland.
Okay, I'll tell you right now, first time I'm actually saying we're having A5 Wagyu at Foodieland. Like,
Dude.
that doesn't happen.
That's exactly what we're trying to do here at Noodle Belly. It's not just like good food that looks good. It's really make it an experience for everybody that comes by.
That's awesome, man. Way to step up the game for Foodieland,
No,
guys.
I appreciate you, man. Really trying to make contact on all sides room. So right here is where
Truffle.
our truffle.
You're the head chef of Noodle Belly.
I am the head chef.
What's up, man? That is what's up, Chef Jorge.
A little bit more.
Hey.
So the portion is usually 3.
Alright. Boom. Got truffles.
Generous amount. A little truffle butter.
Alright.
Shaved truffle.
That's what's up. Alright, man. You have it. There you have it, Chef Jorge. Coming out with the win.
Yeah,
So, all that's left to do is to try that. Just take it over there. Kudos to the chef.
enjoy, man.
Alright, we're gonna get started here. Like I said earlier, I can't believe that I'm at Foodieland, and here at Foodieland I have an A5 Wagyu. Shaved truffles, butter truffle, here at Noodle Belly. The Wagyu noodle, as he calls it. And yeah, let's just get right into it right now. Nice little boat presentation. But first thing I'm gonna try is that Wagyu. So pick pick up that Wagyu. Has some shaved truffles right on top. All right. A5 Wagyu. Bite. Oh wow. Man. Just the melt in your mouth, juicy, that supreme cut of beef. That is amazing. That is steak at its highest level. That is A5 Wagyu, man. And then coupled with the truffle, yeah, that is just spectacular. I love that truffle. Shauna was having the noodles earlier, so I'm gonna try some of their noodles from the Noodle Belly. So it's a like a thick noodle, almost like a like an egg noodle. And bite. Oh wow. Oh, that's noodle done right. That is like silky. The flavor, I taste the chives, the truffle. There's a really silky, smooth texture. Al dente, yes it is. But yeah, that noodle is amazing.
Oh wow. The flavor already.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And it's like kind of like crispy-ish. Oh wow.
I gotta have more of that Wagyu, so let me go ahead and get some of that. Maybe a couple of the Wagyu. I kind of feel like I don't need a couple with the noodles, but maybe for this bite I will. I'll take some of that. You know what? No, I won't. I'm gonna have that Wagyu and just taste it with the noodle. I mean, yeah, just take a look at that. That's clean. Okay, and bite. Oh man, the juices from that meat just seeps through every bite. That chew. I just want to like keep that, rest that on the side of my gum and just like let it stay there the entire Foodieland trip. So noodles. Here goes the noodles with the last piece of Wagyu from Shauna's bite. Here we go. I'm coupling this together. And bite. Oh man. Amazing. So the other thing they have here is corn with like pepper flakes on them, on top of it. Here's the corn. Take a bite of that. That's sweet and delicious. Wow. Okay, I gotta try the drink now. I had it earlier. You gave me a sample, but this is the Lihimoy lemonade, and I am a big fan of Lihimoy. Anything Lihimoy, I am all over it. So here's the drink, a little parched. I'm gonna chase that wonderful Wagyu noodle dish with the Lihimoy lemonade and sip. Oh yeah, that is refreshing. That lemonade, the Lihimoy. Oh, that is ultimate. This is an amazing meal right now here at Foodieland. Just finished up here at Noodle Belly with Kevin and the team here. Okay, really quick, Kevin, where can we find you? Where can the community find you guys? How can they get a hold of you?
We're in Oakland on Fruitvale, next to Fruitvale Park, 1014 Fruitvale.
Called Noodle Belly.
Noodle Belly.
There it is. So check them out, guys. Noodle Belly in Oakland.
Thank you.